Pamana, 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 Pamana. People don't want to feel like something I get off the blood clot. But no that Derek did I say when he go Panama. No that him did that chant I say Pamana, Pamana. So people, the next chapter of the Annie and family and friends show Panama the thing there now my people. Panama, Pamana. And that's how the thing there now. So Annie I plan to take her picking them to Panama. You see me? So right now she and Chanel they are nothing good my people. A be a war. Annie want Chanel away from around her because she has said Chanel are wicked my people. And for a long time Annie and Chanel are warring her. That's why this morning me are telling us I don't know how come Annie and Chanel turn this big friend. You see me? Because I know them for a war every minute. You see me? So right now my people, me have that for share with you. Me have a bunch of things with Annie them for share with you. Me last track away me have to share with you. But you know say it's a very entertaining series. So it no matter where me say, from me say Annie and family, you not supposed to tune in. You see me I say also my people, me have D attack she in love with Jawas my people, and you know what I mean, she said she have to pace herself because the video before this one she said she have to pace herself because she don't want fall too deep in love with Jawas right now, you know what I mean. And it looked to me like say Jawas he might try to pace himself, like him no want rush going a deep relationship like him want, cause here what she said in the video previously people me share with you, she say it's like him not have the time kind of run off him club or something. Maybe that is a little strategy where Jawas I use to kind of keep a little pace, you know what I mean, don't for them not just rush into nothing, because as a man and as a man we been with woman, you see me I say and you maybe break up with your ex already, you see me, and like you know say you break up with your ex and you can't even go link back your ex even when she have a next man, you see me I say if she not too deep in love, if whole heap of time the two pass, you see me, you can link back with your ex and they back with your ex, you understand me I say. So maybe I even that Jawas are really make him keep him distance a little bit away from D in a way, because me not like my people for in a marriage for too much years, there's no way D can tell me say she don't really feel some type of way for her husband same way if one night Jelani drink up some liquor and feel tipsy and have nothing for work in the night there and even go up that hill there, because the dog them know him, everybody know him there, so and go knock on the door 2 times and maybe even pull the door because good as have key feet and go in, you know what I mean, and touch the 2 times on her body and she wake up and she say him I done it done. You see me I say I done it done. So you have to really think still in our people, because you don't want to just jump in a relationship with a woman who just fresh out of a relationship with her husband, you know what I mean. So right away Jawas have to be careful. D me no know. She maybe want to get over Jelani so bad, make sure try feel like, you know what I mean, rush into this relationship. You see me? But more know what you think in the comment section with people. Right now, the woman, what she name? What she name? The broadmouth woman like man where coats can take away her furniture. Right now she rub out Rosealee my people. And the rub she rub Rosealee I tell Rosealee say she can't even bring her youth them go Panama. You know what I mean? And the things them what she has say, me some of the time when she used to talk and sitting, me used to agree with some of the things them what she have to say. You know what I mean? Cause sometimes she come and she talk some things and me I say, well, you know what I mean, she not tell a lie, this and that. But that talk yeah what she make me people make me feel like say yo, make me a prior say she bad mind. You see me, the talk here where she make me a prayer say she bad man. You see me, like she want to spend Rosalie money for her. The reason why me say me a prayer like she bad man, she not only talk about Rosalie, she a talk about other people who get gifts on TikTok. You see me, I say, and I say, boy, these people are drain the pockets of the gifters them, and them now make the gifters find she give her give her gifts and something. I agree, so everybody wants something, but you can't look on a person where you get and would have want that person to stop get. You understand me? I say it don't look good still, it don't sound good. Me don't know if a such stay or that just slip out her mouth. But more I know you think when you hear it. So people, these are the things, Me don't know if me left out nothing, but surely I got in the video. So let me know what you think we are get in it with people.
Need it. Don't take the distraction and the mouth off of yourself. Because you come on the internet with somebody where you hack and popular, so with superior popularity.
Thank you.
There's no way you should have come on the internet. Spice, everybody will do much better than you.
Bless you.
Further ahead of you. Spice younger than you, Shensi younger than you, and you have fame at the same time with most of them. And what you achieve? You don't achieve nothing.
Guys, promise birthday.
Alright, Sample, come on.
Keem, I'm going to mute your Keem catch you me about promise birthday here.
Alright.
Guys.
So Shebada,
you can click the link in my bio.
Don't stray, alright? Don't stray. And
you can click the link in my bio.
There's so many things where you can do in your life instead of coming on social media
promise birthday, just
and be messy. You don't need to come on the internet, come be messy. What you be messy for? He's a comedian, he's an actor. You need to bring down people. You need to do that, Shebada. You don't need to do that. You don't have a talent already. So make you say your talent, kid. Me know say depression will kill you. Depression will kill you. Insecurities will kill you. There's so many things, there's so many demons and battles you have to fight. Go and go fight them. And stop come on the internet, come project your losses, them, your negativity on people. Because me not know how you as somebody where people know you popular before social media, without social media, and yet say look by your behavior, your decorum on the internet. I mean I tell you to go and better neither, because guess what, you pay for some sin where I don't know a thing about. Alright, you pay for some sin where me don't know about. I'm not even gonna get the time of the day I make you steal my joy. No, Shebada, you gotta do what you have to do, because I realize you live for this. You see it? You live for company, internet, come sit down, pay a deep freeze and cuss. And I not give one say, see, you say about brown coat. See, brown coat, I eat me sit down pan. I eat me sit down pan, Shebada. Alright? You say me not live nowhere, yet still, nobody not search me if you dig me up. Me not own no bills. Shebada, me not own nobody, Poor thing. Well, no people businesses are elevating, but me know for sure say is a scruff, is a cruff. Me know that say a cruff. Because if your life did productive, Shebada, I promise you to come on social media and be so. Nobody will make progress in our life with your age or maturity will not behave the way how you behave, Shebada. A bad mind and jealousy and envy are your issue with people. That's your issue. Yep, that's the issue. I go come on the internet with fabricated stories. Shebada, every day, them cuss you and tell about your blood. Zanjama, the last person cuss you and tell about your blood, Shebada. Zanjama tell you say your blood black. I'll know you're not adjust Zanjama and your blood. The people then see a flight come a find every 3 months come fill your medication. Them talk about them something there. Talk about them something why you have to go to America every 3 months go full your HIV prescription them. And nobody go in a pharmacy go buy sickness. But at the same time, you not have no mercy for nobody. You don't have no mercy for nobody, dirty Shebada. For somebody, drunk, a long time, years of blood cancer, Shebada. Your favorite old bag, your favorite Shebada, you sell special in your yard, you're the only celebrity. You're the only big TikToker living in a tenement yard. Fucking face you live in a tenement yard. Every minute, man, I walk through your yard. You sell special in your yard back. I got 20 bag. I grave digging I keep on your yard back. Your yard bizarre. And you sit down by your deep freeze every day and bring down bad people, you do better than your dirty Shebada. You don't make use of your time in your film and entertainment industry. You come and TikTok and bring down the clad people, them dirty man. Dirty selfish. You think say somebody can Billy come here and make me feel insulted, Keith Shebada, big mouth Ramsey? You somebody pussy wall? You come and talk about live life. You know about me, Shebada, go suck your mama and go fry. I should have catch off your box up your blood clot because some man don't have chat pan in. Hey boy, Richie, I share my life. I must evaluate I share my life to you know, Richie. Hey blood clot, patakat, Richie. I share my pussy whole life. In Shebada, don't take no set for me. You hear me? I said, youth, don't take no set for me. Because me a half your age. Brother, don't take no blood clot set for me. You hear me? I tell her, youth, don't take no blood clot set for me. Don't take no set for me, Shebada. I'm not the one. Don't take no fucking set for me. I'm not a batty man. Me I'm not a batty man, you know. I'm telling you this, you know. You see it? Don't take no set for me, youth. Charge it. Don't take no blood clot set for me. When you see people on social media, you just feel like say, you know everything where them are deal with. You know everything what go on in them life. You know them secretary, you know them accountant. One and two people might come telling us some little prank and some little lie and some little fake story. You feel like say, you don't know what people is about. Shebada, you don't know what me is about. You don't know what me is about, Shebada. You understand me? You don't know what me is about, so you can determine and dictate my pace, alright? Because trust me, I'm focused, alright? Focus. Don't fuck around. Don't fuck around because me don't know. You see you Shebada, you hate entertainers, you hate people who do good like artists and those type of stuff. Why you hate the people them? True, you're not buying a house or you're not driving a late car, you can't live in a uptown community. That cause the problem, you know. Yeah, man, you're bad, man, and you go through some early stage with a dementia, man. You suffer from some dementia for your deep freeze. You sit down for your blood clot deep freeze, because you be a fuck with the whole of your money where you're making a plane and comedy, you know. Be a fuck you buy with the money. Be a fuck you take up and buy with the money. Be a cocky invest all your money, you know. You don't have nothing for inherit. Yeah, man, I be a cocky Shebada invest all your money, you know, man. Me I tell you. What Shebada, everything.
Boy, my people, one thing me I wait for your Shebada answer Keem King. That me I wait for year. Cause me know say Shebada go blood, me know say Shebada go deep up on him. You see me I say? So people, alright, like yeah, Shebada and film situation, like him talk about everything where him say, and him have a Batman friend who kinda, you know what I mean, give him information, like everything what go on social media, like send him all of the stuff them and him talk about it. You see it? Let tell you something. You see most Batman them life kinda lonely still in our people. Yeah, most Batman them life lonely. So if you think about if you try that part there, just think about like you know have a regular life no more. You see me? You can't go up on the ends or link with your friends them. You can't go at a regular you can go at a regular bar and go hang out, you can go certain places, but your places where you can go and be normal and alright, limited. You see me I say the friends them where you have limited to you to the Batman circle. See, and look here. The reason why you see enough of them like Batman here, even the ones in America more while, why you see enough of them cuss one another, you see them online cuss one another and then 2 day time them back as friends. And because me I tell you say them circle limited. So me I say that for said this, you know, like Shebada, you know, Shebada don't really have much to do or much places to go. Number one, he famous. You see me I say, so him can itch up any and any way. Number two, him a batty man. So him still can itch up every and any way. You see me? So if him company and then you know him no have no family where him live with. Him live by himself. You understand? Him not have a man where him live with. Him live by himself. Him not have a picnic where him a raise. Him live by himself. You see me? So on a level, him just use this as him pastime. When him feel boring or whatever, him jump on live and cuss some people. You understand me? So me no feel like say people feel really take what him a say seriously. Although he makes some whole heap of point most of the time and talk some real facts. You see me I say, but this are just like in pastime for do. You see me? So let me know what you think. You see me? Tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and if what me I say, you know what I mean, look at a real thing. Let me know.
When you say a lie, I tell, right? Be a lie, I tell. Be a blood clot lie, I tell. Shebada that give the try to get the hardest time of the day. Shebada, you know, give people no mercy, right? One rose, guys. Cause I can't bother, you know, I'm not entertaining over here, so with no negativity, you know, cause I gotta get my day started and be productive. So Kitty, where you on?
You know me no want no sit me going.
Guys, wait for the double. I could take back that nuggets of Frank Kitty. See double there, guys. See double there. Catch it double. But Shebada, you have enough things to do in your life than company internet. Go and go take out one loan from NHT, man, and go buy two schemes.
At your fork.
Yeah, and over with me, they kind of coolish.
Hey, bless him, Jesus, that me say. And that me and guys, we not two and not one money gun.
Him, what's up? Vavu. So Kitty, what go on pan the app here, sir? All our people in that KFC. Kitty. Blood clot, Kitty mute me. Kitty! Watch ya. No to blood clot. Kitty gone back to her baby father and come like Kitty now a year good. Kitty! You no go tell Kitty say me a call her.
Chat. Eh? Eh?
Actually, you gone back to your baby father and not answer me.
I will say so.
But then you see my security card and say you gone back to your baby father.
Let me can't bother with the dirty people, them no Keem, then you don't know say. When come here now, then you don't know say I'm my ex-girlfriend come shoot for me and I said I'm a call her my baby father and the people them say. No laugh.
I said the man say Kitty gone back to her baby father.
You don't know that's how the dog shit they run with anything like them a fool.
Yeah. No, but me I say where people them they look like everybody gone and KFC Kitty.
Yeah, everybody gonna keep see what they fool.
My God, pretty neat. So I share my life, huh?
Then you don't know say I saw them still.
Pretty neat. Pretty neat. What the issue? Cause I don't have a Shebada, you know, Ras, I win the match. I eat the verdicts. I can punk, right? As you should. Mr. Trending, what's up, Poppy? What's popping? What's trending?
Later, baby.
Alright, Kitty, good girl. Later, I'm there.
You don't say me have seen facts, but I don't remember.
Oh, Boba.
I will see you around. No, I don't remember, but I'll see you around.
Something you can ask me on live?
Yeah.
Okay. Me do it there. Me don't have me rank. Me don't have me at the live the whole day. Me don't rank. No, just
Alright.
click live. Alright.
Now So guys, Kasha is rubbing out Rosalie, and I said right, Rosalie can take her kids them to Panama. There's a lot of things Rosalie can do instead of she sit down and smoking cigarette and gamble. I don't know how things go or what happened, but yeah.
Watch out about there, you know. But no way in our life. We're not hard earn money. And people will go somewhere. Tomorrow you never know. Pay it forward. Some of them are make crazy money here. And if them fi give it, some of them are come over here and beg it fi give it. They can't keep it out of where them earn already. They might feel pain. But them they are every day a beg. Every day them they are beg. If you do some out of them pocket, them free, them feel pain. Observe them, you know. Every day you want to meet the people and watch them walk away to the bed, you know. At night. Smoke the food. Pianist! Guys, some people walk up and down. No be a place, thank you, man. Thanks to all I give them. See, some people walk up and down, stay the thank you, thanks to the gift, guys. Some people walk up and down in my community barefoot. You know, long me come here and beg one box of cooks. I finish it. No, man, we don't need to do that party. Go and do what this for company. Guys, now I give no boy my money. I must say Airbnb and here go when the storm come. Storm trying to come out, I'm going to see Annie run up and down and try to get the house done. Annie want to live a lavish life like she have money and she broke. Anytime Annie money done, she end up back at the yard. Annie have all the little girl that wear fashion braces. That's what I mean. They were always broke. And my people them come first. Storm come, them say a hurricane it turn, so we are getting enough rain. And Annie live a country. So how she a manage? People don't think, man, them just feel like say, yeah. You don't know how Annie is a single mother. And they go send the 2,000 in a TikTok police answer easy.
Alright, so my people, I don't know what me say when it comes to social media. I already say me take everything what I go on social media as entertainment. Yes, so me I say, and watch my people. Nobody at all can cuss people who have money. You can't cuss a person who are the better than you. And me agree with you. No. like poor people are cause rich people. No, me can't agree with you or join in on your side. You know why? Because people who not make it in a life always make people who are make it in a life their problem. You see, any day name day, you make it in a life. When you make it in a life and I same tax bracket as the people them where you cuss, well, them the time that me I go can't agree with you or even listen what you say and try to, you know what I mean, come to some kind of conclusion. But if you broker than the people them, me not agree with what you say. If you don't understand what I say. You see me, so this woman here, you know what I mean, me don't have nothing against her or anything like that. But on a level, me can't agree with she across Rosalie and I tell Rosalie what she do with her money. No, no, no. Until she start make some money and start cause people when I give back and she a give back when she a make it go up her money, then we can say alright, cool. Alright, she said she beg some crocs. You know it's a crocs. Yo, wanna see people in a crocs or something. Most of the crocs them wanna see out there are some knockoff crocs where them a sell cheap on roadside. If you know the price of crocs, you would ask for a box of crocs. You see me I say, you would ask for a normal box of slippers for just give the youth them. Because crocs are expensive sitting crocs dear. The money where you use buy one crocs you can buy one shoes. You see me I say? So people make me know what they think.
And you have a two daughter and her daughter and her son on TikTok and beg and I tell them I work them come. And you tell the people them I work them come. I just careless this now. No, me not buy no KFC. Me not trust the chicken right away. Me not go KFC tomorrow. Yeah, them say Starma come. Me can't go KFC tomorrow. Me not trust what one. And I want if a raw chicken I go down there. Can I say that for go run in belly? No, me can't get them rush there. I want to go to the man for KFC for help me with my back to school treat. Can't go KFC tomorrow about the free deal. Oh, can't bother with that tomorrow, yeah. KFC what me 10 o'clock in the morning. People are out there from 6 o'clock in the line. I want it around me tomorrow. Now them say hurricane a come for true. Can't believe how the people them on TikTok they brave. Can't believe how them they brave. Anytime the man a talk to Annie where she like, Annie blush. Annie said she could in at the man town and not go look for him. But Annie no easy with the pussy, no Annie no rest pussy. And Annie have big pity. Annie have big pity for sure. And you have to see how pity them all. They look why when name LD now. LD now play voice note. I screen record with Anna. I say something to Annie to mash up the woman and her daughter. To owe me that class LD now. We are asking him where more with me, I'm a pity them. Well, LD now gonna play the summer Annie a listen. Annie just like to be acknowledged. Annie love views. Eddie not gonna play nothing with me for my picnic. Annie a big woman. Annie a big woman. I mean people upon them proud of Annie. They would have do the same thing. Oh, when me I watch a live and them thing there and the comment them. You can't proud of me and you don't want to see me change. If you're proud of me, talk to me and tell me the truth, make me change, make me fix things. If you love me and proud of me, talk to me, make me fix things. But if me always right, oh you go home, you go fix the wrongs. And you live a lavish life. A life when you're dead. And it burned me. But I told them I trench the people them can't find me for help me. To all them I trench the people them pocket. My last in the system, the people them can't find me for trench me. Big up yourself anywhere in the world, Sandra D. Orient. Big up my people and everybody love you. Anywhere me they want to find me.
The people. Boy, me don't want this that woman you still, you know. Me don't want to say nothing out of the way. Like, me don't want to say nothing where make she look a certain type of way. Because me know say she's a trying woman same way. You see me, just like enough of the people them on TikTok and Ray. But we just have to call a spade a spade. Look here. A lot of people don't know people struggles. Them don't know where you go through. You know what I mean? Them don't know your life story. Them don't know how long you work toward your goal, where you try to accomplish. And when you reach your goal now, and you see a little light, them are gonna come and try to tear you down. And them don't know which part you come from. You see me I say, just like this woman here and what she say about Annie. I don't know how far Annie come. She don't know which part Annie come from. Annie them a struggle. She and her picnic them. And them a try on social media. Remember say Annie open a restaurant and I feel lock it down, you know, man. 2 people on social media do her, you know. The people them don't want to go buy from her, you know. You see me? So she just a see look light, you know. And I try make it with her picnic them. And here comes this woman for tear her down. You see me? And I say she nah make no progress. Annie a work on her house. You see me I say? But Annie find a niche on TikTok right now. You see me I say? Annie find a niche where I work for her. So she a chase the niche. And I try to milk the niche. And make what she can make for done up her house. You see me I say? So enough of the time you hear people talk and them a bash the next person. Sometimes no time at all you know to listen to them. Because them have a saying where them say, if you ask 2 person about me, maybe you get 2 different answers, and believe the 2 answers what you get. Because depends on how you deal with me, and some you go deal with you. Right? So let me know what you think, me people. We are going to watch, so you know we are move on to the next.
Who you there? Where's the Jayden? Who you there?
Annie.
Huh?
Him and the girl left. You know, I'm glad to see the girl come in my inbox and say, Jayden, it was all about you. You go show him.
I lie, you tell no lie.
Yeah, for real. Me leave I go to. You don't know why.
But usually you want to make sure that with Alex? That's crazy.
You don't know why she text me and I know so me love loud up things.
You have to post a text, man.
No, after me not get nothing yet.
Get up on me now.
Oh, but you're now getting no you tell we.
How you know that?
Nah, you ain't none.
So dentist, you go, Annie. What do you think?
No, me have to go doctor first. After me go doctor, next me can go dentist. Me have to go for medication first.
I only am talk boy.
Well, Annie, you stress over yourself, you know, man. Blood clot, man.
No, man, me not stress, man. Me just do necessary. Me not stress.
Anyway, then me not cut you, me not cut Jayden. But what? Jayden, no matter how much fuck you fuck, me never say with what idiot. How are you cocking a wood?
No, me sign paper. No icky, no videoing, none of that.
Oh.
Okay.
So you don't have no icky? Oh, you have icky? You will make Jabba put the think more time.
Hi. Hi, sweetie, what's up?
881683, guys. See, people don't tell us that the cream good.
Let Jabba's belly sweat and so, you know.
Me never smell Jabba's yet, so if him belly sweat, it have to go and sweat.
Me they smell.
You wipe it out.
How do you know? Me they smell him, how do you know?
So how you just, why you are the palm my man so much, why you are smelling him?
No, when I tell you, you walk past me in that club and say,
Liar, tell him, now what? Liar, tell him.
I never him.
Azuma? Oh, come in, what Jabba's don't smell?
That was not smell at all, Azuma.
Jabba's don't smell none at all.
So where's sip on him? Where's sip on him?
Azuma smell for true?
Yeah, think. Where's sip on him? Where's sip on Jabba's like for real?
We see everything from him. See everything from him.
Like what?
Like first of all, he's very ambitious. He's not like you that sit on TikTok every day, make money and don't do anything to show us that you're trying to be progressive. So unlike you, he has things going on for him, you know? He's very sexy. He knows how to dress. He knows how to make you smile. Yeah, mama, I know but dress and it did better than you. Dress? Yes. Dress? You know but dress. Yeah, I'm not ask you.
I run money out about. Man, Jabba's.
Jayden, remember saying no? Somebody throw one blanket pan ya walk up and down in a eat and go like you're cute. Cause your shirt is big, you know?
But I mean I clean this in that party, yo. Just I like.
No, you weren't.
Who clean it down me?
My man.
Jabba's clean it down me. Jabba's clean it down me at party.
Yeah.
Be you be tough, you know?
I'll nip it cleaner than you. I'll nip it.
If you tell me, be soap more. Not like D, but it's one of one.
Thank you. I love that for us. Don't. Hey, baby. Oh my God. You don't have to kiss me now.
I'm that. When I time you see me that kiss off for you and you move your mouth, how you smell your mouth?
No, I'm just scared. Like I'm not used to public affection, so it's a new area for me to trod in. So when he kisses me in public or where we're the light, it scares me. Like I feel weird. It's sexy. It's cute. Like it just make me feel like it's just too much butterfly. I don't know if to do. I'm confused. He's just making me happy. That's it. Yeah. Why are you in your face like that? Why are you upset?
I wonder if you can come off my internet with it.
Why? When you had your love, it was all over the media. We never feel no way.
Well, that's ages ago.
No, it's not. You want it back. You want your love back. Because you fucked up. So as long as he don't fuck up, we gonna be on this bitch. We ain't moving.
Huh?
As long as him not fuck up, we're always over here.
So one time I'm not gonna sit my stomach with them loving thing, you know.
Why? You're supposed to be happy.
For who? For who no?
Baby, one post. Beg one post. If you love me, beg one post, please. Huh?
For who? Who no?
Yeah, you should be happy. You should be happy. You see, energy goes where energy comes from. So you see, if you're happy for somebody else, then the universe is going to bless you with your own love. But if you're bad mind, the universe now go commend you. Universe now go compliment you. Then I'm gonna say, you don't deserve love. You too mean.
That's true.
Yeah. So you have to be happy for people.
You don't think you move fast. You don't think you move too fast.
That's what happens when you okay. You ever see a mango and you want to bite the mango, but you say, "Chunk, can't bother with no mango right now." But when you bite the mango, you just want to eat everything because it's so sweet and so it's just so nice.
Use pum pum as an example. You eat mango.
Oh, you only eat pum pum? Got you. Chat new page. Follow chat. Beg you one post, please.
People, what you tell more what you think about the lion man scene? Because to me, the boy, I want to look at F-up boy, you know, the lion man, you know. You see me, I say, I be a figure him go on with, you know. All if you ask the woman when she sip on her man. Eh? How can I question that? But let me know what you think, my people. See, more ask on this, right? D and Jabbas. See, I don't feel like say she really in love with the dog like how she attack. I feel like say she really have that love connection there with him, or she just a pretend to make her ex-man jealous. Because it go all over the internet. The people them go post it. You see me? So me want to know if one of the things that she a do it, she a act to make her ex-man jealous, or she really in love with the G. Because she can't really in love with him, you know, because she in a relationship for how much years. The relationship mash up. You have some people, woman, man, when it comes to like relationship, them always want in a relationship. They are just that the type of person they a lovey-dovey person. Them want them own person where them can, you know what I mean, cuddle with, link, chill with that, them not in the run up and down. See, so when them find somebody, them just have to give that person the all of the love. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think about it. See, you watch somewhere.
Destiny, me say, destiny, me say, turn a lion, me say. So Jabbas a mango?
He's my mango right now. Yeah. Do you have any more questions? Is there anything else you want to know? Guys, in the camp, I'm gonna one pose. Too cute. One pose, please. Thank you. Thank you, baby. On the can't tap the screen. On just a look so.
We can play something. We can play one bet something.
We can play a bet now. Where you want bet?
One bet something.
Talk now. Where you want bet?
If we win. If we win.
Yeah.
The text Jabbas and say, we're done.
Okay, come on, people them now gonna make me lose. So let's go. And if we win, you have to make a video, address it to Big C, and apologize for being a pussy.
No, we're not gonna play that.
Yeah, we playing that.
No, so we can't play that.
Yeah, we are playing that. Come.
No, we're not playing that one day.
And that's we are playing. Let's go.
No.
That is what we're playing. Everybody wants us to play that. They're gonna make you win. You don't believe in your team. Come, let's go.
I don't know about believing that. They want me to do that, but
No, they don't. Come now. Come. Yeah.
No.
That's a long video. That's a small video. I say, Big C, I apologize. I've been a pussy and I'm sorry. That's it. Short, spicy, cute. That's it.
No. Take one different bit. She said, "Me no call her name."
She said, "Enough to call her name."
Yeah.
Okay. Text Kami and say, "I'm sorry."
Me block her, and she block me.
Okay. If I win, you have to send Mika $15,000.
Okay.
Because the people them cause I say she don't have no slippers. So yeah. Good. Mika can buy some nice slippers.
Mika really need this supposed to too.
I don't care. We're gonna get Mika. Come on guys, we're getting Mika 15,000. Let's go.
14 nuggets.
Oh, shit, me have 14 nuggets. Jesus. Come on guys, come on. We are getting Mika 15,000 on the top of the screen and shoot. I'm alright, big up yourself.
I would Mika. Mika Dan.
Annie Mika boo.
Oh, come see one Mika coming alive when she hear about slippers. Mika want slippers.
Oh, I think I'm my man, you know. I think I'm my man. Maya, thank you.
You're a man?
Yeah, I think I'm my man. That's.
Do you know the man last name?
Everybody know Jabba's last name.
What his last name?
Jayden, everybody know Jabba's last name.
Guys, what's Jabba's last name?
Are you alone know Jabba's last name? Not even look for you. Guys, come on. No, and him over there. I want other page. Come guys, on the top. Myself.
I want wrong name in here.
You can't give me wrong name. Him name there all over media. Chappy, thank you. Come guys, tap.
Finley.
Y'all will never know that.
So you really want to name the like the last name the buyer? You really want that? You know, so the name their salt name.
I don't care. That's gonna be the last name of my son. 24 rows, guys. 24 rows. Guys, remember him want me for this jobbers, you know. You don't want me this jobbers? You don't take some of them. Come on, you can't make him win. Thank you, my babies. Tap the screen, guys. Come on. Triple now, guys. Triple,
guys.
You know, we can't upset Uncle Manning, you know.
Tanika, thank you.
Come on, guys. Come on. Triple, watch out, Lord.
Triple guys. Yes.
I them getting a lead.
Triple guys. You fuck, you blood.
Jesus, we are. Really? Oh, God.
Triple guys.
Yes, please, proud mommy. Come on, guys, man.
Your blood clot you. Your blood clot you.
Tap and triple.
Blood clot you. Come on, my team.
Guys, when you use the speaker, remember them have gloves over there. Come on, Bumblecly, come on, the side. We're not going to make it win.
Come on, guys. You don't want to buy no slippers, you know? Come on, guys, come.
Oh, God, I can't believe
Moody.
Estonian, yes, Ian. Come on, the side. Come on, shoot. Don't pussy rascal, then gone. Jesus Christ, teacher, no. My side, come on, man. Now make we have to preach. Come on, guys. Queen, big up. Shape, big up. Come on, guys. Guys, just go down in night and shake up the bag. Come now.
No, supposed to blood clot.
Oh, God.
No, supposed to blood clot. Me love that, Moody. Me love that.
My marriage, I'm gonna cry.
I'm far away from home.
Guys, come on. Why? Me cute rose, everything hot right now. Come on, guys.
Me no say no go and say no bed.
You can't know OV go in a bed, you know.
I remember say the man that thing no long enough. Come on, my team.
I want him know, but Jesus. Come on, guys, come on. No, man, guys. Guys, 2.7K over here. Only can't tap the screen and share the live and everybody put something on.
Why would I take a flyout? You don't tell us Jamaica?
Yeah, me tell her Jamaica for true. Me could do it now. Could have Panama.
Thank you. I'm going to Panama.
Me go Panama weekend. Well, everybody, all of we.
Yeah, we go to Panama. Why would I go to Panama?
That would have so nice, you know?
That would have so nice, too, man. Like, Panama.
Yeah. You sure Panama you want to go? We can't text and ask her which part she there now. We just go.
Focus, guys. Focus.
Guys, snipe, please. Oh my God, guys, snipe. Oh, really? The man got this job as? Oh God. Oh God.
Yes, no rose.
Can't believe, you know. Oh my God.
All right, B. All right.
My heart hurts.
What do you have?
I don't feel wealthy at all.
Any teeth want fix? First to three.
Okay, thank
Alright, my people. So, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to move on to the next.
you. Okay, first the tree, guys. First the tree. Alright, guys. Do. Wanna help me now. Do. Let's tell him best up.
Yourself and the road a drink. Can't you like have your road in finger?
You see me if you work. Yeah, the boy watching him. I'm telling you, the boy a groom me like him. The kind of system rate him. Yeah, him no. But if you sit down and work. So me the party at the pan, beg one rose, beg one lion, shoot. Me no and gone out the road no, when come back no, come check on me, watch me pan the live, you know. At what look at me at work, you know. You understand what me I say? Next thing take time and come in and say, yes, money the pan for me page now. Book pink and right off.
Yeah, watch the boy clothes.
Girl, them out a dirty blood clot clothes where in there we are mildew, where rainwater wet up in dirty clothes in our house, mold and smell like a old people homes.
Over pan, the boy left to go away. Him to leave and go away and up off for your girl.
Girl, me say the clothes they're moldy, like a old people homes, the whole of the clothes, you know, and wet clothes in the house, it smell like a dog. And me take out the whole of the blood clot clothes, and me I run pan them one another, me put hot bleach water and wash out the stinking blood clot leprechaun boy clothes.
Jesus Christ.
Hot blood clot bleach water and cake soap.
In bright, man, all I'm bright to come and start.
And this gingy stinking dirty boy when I be at 4 or 5 days with the bleachings moldy pan him. Hey, TikTok police member say you have a second dick because your neighbor is a second dick. Hey, girl, hold on, no man. TikTok police member say you have a second blood clot dick because your neighbor is a blood clot dick also. Remember my blood clot tell you go suck your blood clot mama dirty drunk crow. Yeah. Right. Every day you look a pussy while me sit down and play in blood clot neighbor in second dick. Yeah, go suck your blood clot, mother. This me I try to tell you, girl. I mean, I want to cut out what me I say. Me go up there with about $27,000.
Yeah.
Right? And when me go up there now, you know, it's like we got the party, you know. But you know, when you have a look of money in your pocket, so you want the money for take time and go and pinch.
Yeah.
Girl, me never see blood clot TikTok police ever say, girl, come, me I send one $10,000 I go give you pitney them. Me never see auto time out say Tamika or Annie that 10 grand for your kids them. You see me? And then that's when I start praying because me I say all while me I say to him say you go look for your daughter, you give your daughter money. Me never hear him say Annie take that 10 grand and give to your youth them. Annie give your son this. You know them type of people they will rate your blood clot.
He focus on himself, Annie.
He focus on himself. And I tell me for stay a female but you know want me go on my yard. So watch this now, you know. Me carry my money go up there, you know, and the night, you know, in go party with his friend them, you know. And me did as like some the bag when me have on, him have a bag over fee neck. He take a bag and have a bag over fee neck. Me not say him take it from me, you know. Listen to me. Me not say him take it from me, you know. Me give me bag willingly. Remember say I'm a man.
Yes, girl.
Well, when we reach our blood clot party, liquor drink out blood clot. This pussy don't even know say me have high blood pressure. I don't even care. You see me? I mean tell you say I drink them a flask. You saw me come so boobs so I catch up to mine. I'm go and dip in at the blood clot bag. Girl, the man take my money and pay the whole blood clot bill. Fee man, he friend them. They hear me? I tell you, I think when he done, about 7 grand left in my blood clot bag. The boy take my money and tip even the girl them were in there. We are kin out them pussy and flick. And 7 grand left back in the blood clot bag. You understand what I say? So me turn to him and me say to him, say, you spend all of the money in the bag, what you do with the money? He say, pay the bill at the bar.
Oh my God. Say, boy, not sure about you after a man, you know.
He don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck.
Right,
he put on a road, go buy one box food and carry, come give me. And me turn to him and say, babes, me have to go shop, I want grocery, I want a gas. I saw me a chat to him. I say, I want grocery, I want a gas. I say, yeah, we are going to buy a TV. We are buy a kettle because I want one water for my stomach. You get what me I try to say? When I reach the day, listen to me now, my baby. When I reach the day, I'm going to come to Bob son, one blue jump the day. I'm going to say one nice blood clot frying pot. Girl, them the frying pot, they have money. You get me? To the quality of the frying pot. I'm going to come to Bob son. You see, because me is a local woman, I love food. As I see frying pot, I go take up a frying pot. Say, yeah, me I go cooking at this. You see, as I come say, yip, I walk neat. Sorry, my love, me sorry, the blood clot. Me go, oh, girl, the man shitting at the blood clot frying pot in that.
Oh my God. And you're going to kill me. Jesus Christ. No,
you shitting at the frying pot and cover it up in another container.
I believe that the boy a little bit and look stink for true. I believe that girl.
Stink, not take it for no joke. If you can't go a river, I'm not swim. You can't go a pool, in not swim. Anyway, you see we can't go pussy not swim.
Yes, and you can say boy nasty for true. You have to talk and make the people in blood clot TikTok know him and not give him again.
Oi, me no business if nobody no want gift him. Me not tap nobody gifter. Me not tap nobody food. Me I tell people when.
Hey people, best believe say this a boy I'll come back undone Annie, you know. Me I telling you, you know. So if Annie feel like saying can cuss this a boy and this a boy and come back undone in ass, he make a sad mistake. So watch his style now, my people. Annie get what she deserve and she have to take what she get. You know why? Because this youth has show them who him is, how him stay, the type of person him is. And you still, because you want spite blinga, so you buck up in this, you know, you have to take your bunks. Yeah, you have to take your bunks and know, say, yo, learn your lesson from that. So people, we are what's up?
Meanwhile, so when me talk from my heart. I swear to you, baby, you see me not fight against people food and then bless you to come towards them.
Yes,
but you see when you talk your truth, you just speak your truth and that's it. Who want love you, who want hate you, hate you.
That's true. You're going to always bless because you do for your pitney them. Believe me when I say that. You're always
oh, man, you go come look on you and tell you say you're not beard. You that means you didn't fuck dirty pum pum. Talk it true, no? Oh, man, you go look on you and say you stink. You didn't fuck stinking pum pum. So what make you? What are you? What kind of person you be? When you come and talk, you know, if you think about what you're saying out of your mouth, you know. And me go buy 10 backla blood clot water, you know. TikTok police now know what time yard, you know. And Millie from Ochi got popping, go buy 10 backla water, you know, girl. Yeah. So tell me whether they stinking, dirty, moldy, mucky, why did that be with? When they done rub and all of them, the bleachings there. Whether they stinking, ginger body boy did not be with, girl.
Like in need a beard, girl. And you go upgrade him.
When I go up there, at them the time the thing started to change, because I know how I stay. You know one of the things when we did at the BNB, when we did at the BNB, I me pay feet because I didn't want to stay around and I had no water, no the round, I can't do though. The boy will up in do for 5 days. For 5 days, he look like him pregnant, him belly shine no blood clot, him constipated, a beer poop him a poop. He poop stink no blood clot, me no want him in the house, girl.
Yes, girl.
5 blood clot there, the boy keep up the shit for you want to see him look like him pregnant, he look like a handicap, he look like them African man there. I saw him look. You know, look at African people them when they got them big. I saw him constipate, my love. Every walking poop.
Guys, do not type F1 in our page. No make it take away. Don't make our page take away. Type F1, guys.
So look stinking dirty crack up foot boy. This is a look stinking dirty crack up foot boy. Remember say me and you go to road and make you out a juicy beef and tell you if you go shit in the bathroom because you can't hold up your doo-doo. Me look by you and tell you say it will hurt you. And me say go in the bathroom, you say you can't use public bathroom. You can't use public bathroom. You pass the barber yard. The same barber will cut your blood clot ear and pass go down at the blood clot rubbish go shit drunk. I'm give it thank God for blood clot me. And me come find this phone cause I make people sorry for you and fix up your blood clot. Oh, stinking.
I never know him, Annie. Me never know him. After me know him when you contact about him.
Man, nobody.
Man, nobody.
Nobody. Nobody.
You make we know, boy. Whole heap of them people and I comment that you make we know him. Cause nobody know him when him and Blinga days. Nobody never know him. Or where do me blood clot know him? Me go Google Blinga. I never know who name Blinga neither.
Oh, let me tell you something, man. Me not nothing against Blinga. Based on me about this because stinking boy when talk about the woman. Yeah. Hey, you know, so enough honest enough time. You saw sometimes when you're blind by loving somebody. You did hear things, you know, you're not listen good. It's like you're not pick it up, say, I show you a sign, you know.
Your art good, girl.
The boy, they didn't show, yo, in that show, whole heap of red flag, you know, girl. A whole heap of red flag, you know, because, you know, a boy look at me and tell me, say, him say, hey, I'm B&B, him and Blinga did there. And he say, every time he done for Blinga, he say, make sure, say, him left and come back in yard. You understand? Mr. So why you didn't do that? He said every time him did a Blinga man a call her and him never like that. You understand what I say? A thinking blood clot boy look at me and tell me say about either 2 weeks after a week after he find out say blood clot Blinga give him infection. You understand me?
Yeah, you come talk about that.
When they look at dirty boy look at me and started to tell me certain things about Blinga, it's like enough of the things them not add up. Him say when Blinga buy me phone, he say make yes and sell back the phone because I know say Blinga didn't come back for the phone from him. So he say make yes and sell the phone because I know say Blinga come for the phone. Yeah, don't whole heap of clothes go and give blood clot TikTok police. I like no for clothes I wanna see him pose up in a Blinga buy them and care them don't come give look a thinking boy. Eh? I look a prison bed where you see having a blood clot. Oh, see my go on like you can't even turn good on the blood clot bed. A prison blood clot bed that him having at the house. Eh? And him not tell nobody say Blinga come down. Blinga come down, they come sleeping at the house. You know? But him talk about Blinga, you know. He talk about Blinga like Blinga no body towards him, you know. And what day one time me and him start argue, hear him now, no? Me have to big up Blinga. Big up Blinga. Me have to give Blinga ratings. You see him Blinga where you didn't say, you're not rate. You get me? A boy you Judas, go suck your mother. Plenty blood clots.
What you know, Annie? What you know? You know? Hear more you do. Why you just continue with the prank them? I don't worry about TikTok police. I know nothing over
don't worry about nobody, girl. When me ready, me talk and go about business and go and go do what me do. Me not worry about nobody. Why would I worry about him? He call me name, he call back him blood clot name. Me not worry about nobody. If you get on the wrong side, me go open mouth and me go blood clot. Now look stinking big deep hole batty boy now go come style me. I'm gonna open mouth and say what me have a blood clot say. This stinking blood clot leprechaun I call down my blood clot phone. You understand what me I say? And come out your start come this up me.
A bright.
Yeah, child say. A crazy. You can't dip on my phone and ring down my blood clot phone and next you come out your start come call up my blood clot name pussy. Me I show every mama blood clot body. Everybody me I show. Everybody me I show. Me hope that I want to crap out. Hey, go man, go on man and come off of my page. Yeah. Crap out that. See there. A Friday gone you call me pussy. Friday gone you call me pussy. Friday gone you call me. See you there? Look on the date. Look on the date. Friday gone. Friday gone you call me batty boy. You hate me so blood clot much. Friday gone you ring off my blood clot phone. Friday gone. Yeah, you don't want to come tell people that, don't? You don't want to come tell people that. Make people know say Friday gone. You didn't ring good girl on the phone. Yeah. I hope me used to, yeah, you're not me used to call. Yeah, damn it. I don't know.
Hey, you can't. A big up your chest and a bust big style and a disrespect the woman and then you secretly call her. You say, me I say, no. And that's how it go. You see me, although we know, say, at least me know other man know, say, whenever them and a woman even left, sometime look a call and, you know what I mean? Try to get back, go on. You see, but you can't talk bad about the woman and then you link her. Not a good look. Let me know what I think, my people.
Yeah, I'll be on.
Thank you so much, Johnny.
Friday.
God bless.
Friday.
Guys, I'm doing a prize. I'm doing a catch you. Gone. Sometime, whatever.
Like, alright, so TT and my daughter feel like Jayden disrespect them and try for just make joke off of them for people laugh off of them. My daughter feel uncomfortable because she say to them talk to her upon the live and what them do upon the live she feel uncomfortable, so she don't really like what Jayden do. You get me? And she say, mommy screen record I go did they say you can't see. You get what me I say? I don't like when they feel uncomfortable. Me I tell you the truth because what's she name? TT said Jayden shame her. I never did it, guys. I wasn't there. But TT I explained me say Jayden she makes you feel shame. And Jagger makes you feel shame also because they on the live and them makes you feel disrespectful. You get me? Them disrespect her. I don't see screen recording yet. I don't know what happened. You understand what I say? I really and truly don't know what happened. But if she feel uncomfortable and she say, Mommy, I just feel like say them embarrass me. I can't get that because that she talk to me about. She feel away what them do on the live. Yeah, him take joke too far, and thing is this, when you take a joke too far, you make me pity them feel. She love Jay, but it's like you and the people them a trouble her and disrespect her. Ask her a certain question on the live and make she feel uncomfortable. Remember say whole heap of people not like we, you know. Remember say whole heap of people not like we, whole heap of people are come off of we now. Whole heap of people are come off of we right now. So you have to know the type of joke them where you come with. You understand me? But I'm telling you, she feel away. Me go call him because me go ask him. You see me, but honestly, there's a limit to everything and there's a line where you have to go draw. Sometimes you have to go just draw a line at the end of the day and that is how I feel. You understand? Yeah, you have to end up draw a line. Anywhere where you take it, you have to draw a line. But me I go call him first. She said to me, say, Mommy screen record did it. You understand what I say? And to me, everybody a play hypocrite. Everybody a play hypocrite. Nobody no one really talk it true, but me feel like everybody a play hypocrite. Everybody a try for just do what them have to do to get them views. So everybody a play one little piece of hypocrite game and both style how them can get them views.
Big up to the lion, man. You see me I say, I feel big him up. Me love how him a change the life Annie and her family life. Me love how him a change it and I put them in a position where them can reach to a level where them did always want to reach, where Annie can do up her house and her house look good and proper and have money left back. You see me I say? Because this what them are doing, my people. Enough people it entertain, you know. Whether them are do it for real or just entertainment, me not tell you no lie. Me love it. You understand? Me just kinda, you know what I mean? The disrespectful part of it, you know, say not everybody are gonna like it, you see it. So all TT and Mika have to do, them have to just understand and know say you have to develop thick skin when you're in that look social media thing, that look TikTok something here. You have to develop thick skin. You see me? So here what you have to do. You have to troll back the person. Simple. If a person make you feel shame, you shame them back. I saw it go over TikTok. You see me? So it go over TikTok. A dog eat dog over there. And I get the highlight with, you know much people want the highlight they wanna get it right now. Don't complain. You see me? Just work with the flow and find a way. If you just diss back the lion, man. You see me I say? Yeah, you have to develop thick skin. So we can watch some more people. We are going to hear from Shebada after this. Shebada, Robot, Annie and Keem King.
And whatever, you understand me? I said they don't really care who they want for earth, you don't care who they want for step on. You get what me I say? Me say that. I don't know about nobody else. So don't stop sending me the request them no man. But as I said, TT feel embarrassed. She feels shame because she said them asked her a question on the live and she answered the question and I don't know what happened, but she said Jaga did it and Jaga disrespect her. You get me? Honestly, chat, me can't deal with all of them as me. I don't feel like me can take on so many things at once. Me one human being. You get me? Right? And the thing is this, I talk to Chanel. Tell her, I say, Chanel, I don't hate you. I just don't like your style. And I can never ever like your style because you have some dirty style. I talk to her. You understand me? I say, because I would with the one place. I mean, and, you know, yo, a lot of people don't know me. Me cuss it up. But so when it come on to when I see you feel like bad, me come to you and me even apologize. But me not apologize because I don't do nothing wrong. I just make sure you know say I don't like her style. I not apologize to her. I make sure you know say listen to me. I don't like your style. And I talk to her. I even go as far and I tell her, I say, baby girl, you may feel like I don't care about you. I care about you. I not put TT over you. I make sure you know that straight up. I not put TT over her. You understand me? I say, the thing is this. I just don't like what happened. So I don't really put the girl over her. You understand me? I say, I will for people who don't understand what I'm saying. I'm grown up about talk to her. Oh God, better it breeze not kill me. It breeze not kill me, man. Alright guys, we still a pick up. Alright. As I say, I talk to her. I talk to Chanel and I tell her, I say, I don't hate her. I don't hate Chanel. But I just hate her ways. You get me? A lot of time when you can look on people on the camera and say something different, but you don't know the person in person, a different vibe. I don't hate her. You understand me? The thing is this me realize the TT now back down. You understand what I say? TT say her feelings, see my she in love with the man. You understand? Me not think me can manage this a story. I don't care if they want to listen. Me not think me can manage this a story. Because TT says she in love with him. Thank you, baby. So, the end of the day, TT now give up for and left him either. You understand what I say? And boy, women know, you know. Women know. You get what I say? Because if you not look for a woman, or if you not touch the pum pum, you understand what I say? The woman now go get for lead on. You get me? So you have to know what you do because you cannot lead on a person, you know. You get what I say? And that's the part that I don't like. I talk to her, I tell her, I say, TT, move on, live your life. TT not up to that. TT not interested in that. TT decides a jagger she want and a jagger she go get. You understand what I say? So for me, no, to me, guys, I feel like I don't business in this because I don't know how to deal with it. None at all. You understand? So at the end of the day, them are big people, so they must know. TT, I'm a nice girl, you know, but I think TT is a stubborn person. Already Chanel man left Chanel with her man. You understand me? Chanel love her man gone to bed. No matter what nobody a chat say. Love Chanel and her man. And she just move on and find somebody nice. But that is not the case. So me and them now go no Panama go throw it down. They must know how that the party I go. If me I go Panama by myself with me two look up in them back of me. Me nah carry them type of case with me go no Panama. Cause when you go Panama for go sit down and relax yourself and enjoy the view and the
Well, my people, I can clearly see say Annie care about Chanel and Annie care about TT. Annie wants to see the best for the two of them. Annie wouldn't mind the two of them come together. You see what I say? And just, you know what I mean? Live out the lifestyle with the three of them in a relationship, because she definitely care for the two women. Although she and Chanel meet most of the time, we know she care about them and want to see the best. You see it? But me feel like she should step away for real. You know what I mean? Just love the two of them, give them the attention them need, but just don't get involved in a whatever decision when it comes to drag on them something there. You see it? So upon a level, we feel like she should just allow it. Don't try to interfere in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, just let it, make it play out how it play out. So let me know what I think, my people. We are go with Shebada.
something there. Me nah go for that. One on there, you remember yesterday? Dawg, some of the time when a man fi be fear. Cause sometimes you see some man where them figure out say woman really care about them. Hold on there. Listen to me. If Dragon ain't go there, look here. Why them people are sending me so much requests, man? I'm a fingernail can't press the button. Dawg, she need to move on. Me tell her in front of her face. Me can't call her now. Me can't call her right now. Me tell her straight up, say TT, move on. TT, if me see you back at the man again, me and you, me done with you. That is not the case. That is not the case. You can't tell them nothing. Say all you have to do is leave them alone. So now that me I tell her say she a give up the pum pum. She not hold on pan the pum pum. She a give up the pum pum. She not hold on pan it. And I like she say, alright, then you not treat me good. Say that look on the man and run him away and say, yeah, well, because you not treat me good, you can't touch me. And them because something she a give it up. Cause she crazy in love. You understand me? And anytime she see him with him baby mother, she get vexed. You understand me? I say she get upset, she not like see certain things. And when the baby mother see him now round she, the baby mother get vexed too. Then where the help not come before nothing. Then Annie, you go walk and big up yourself on the upper, you know say you're wrong. Then when you go take Annie for the dentist, push down your pressure. And you come and tell Jayden, but hey Jayden, don't add my back pan life with a man there. Don't add my back pan life with a man. Let's say it's a given. Annie, I would never add in a life. Annie, look here. Don't jump up. Don't jump up because the world don't see Jayden do this. The world don't see it. I'm glad you run before me catch toothache. Exactly like your portion or nothing. And you know your mouth are rotten. The time when Jayden had you should make a bill a GoFundMe for your gum.
actually. This big thinking mode woman. Top chef woman, baby. This big thinking mode woman. Yeah, what's my phone that one now? $5 years now, I need to walk with posts in them. I don't know how I'm going to eat the biscuit up on the table. If a biscuit that and it's sickening, so come on, Annie, what you going to do with your bum? Sofa, King bed nab na head. You can imagine, and King of course candy, but we have a big king size bed. Huh? Come here, King. You have your big king size bed, or you have a bedroom set with a king size bed. Make it make sense. Because when I talk and I distract the internet, come here, King, go inside, go argue with me. Can me never see your head and look at me in your video when you lay down in your bed. And you have a senseless bed. Yeah, your bed say mad, sick, head no good. You remember that? You remember that, King? And that's your bed I say, and you really want to argue with auntie? Eh? At least my freezer have door. You see that with Cheese? Eh? Cheese, who is the founder and distributor of the Telco Company Limited. You see that with Cheese, Rena Center. Eh? Before you go check with the next place, Dave, you see that with Cheese, Home Depot. Before you go check Home Depot, you see that with Rena Center. Eh?
Alright, my people, so we're gonna listen some more and then we're gonna end it. You see me? And tell more the thing about, at least you know hear Keem King earlier on, you see me? And hear him have to say about the whole Shebada, dissing him and everything. See, more and to tell more the thing, cause me feel like say Keem King deal with Shebada wicked still. You know what I mean? Diss him up wicked. Because the things that what Keem King say, a person can look on it and say, yo, you know what I mean, for real, you know. Because he say Shebada a cruff. He say, I say, I be a hood Shebada by with the money when him did hot, you see it. And end up a rent house and them something there. But where, I don't know which part Keem King come from, if a country or a town. But you see, most of the people them a town, like a rent house them live in. From once they start make a look of money certain way, them are gonna leave from which part them live, cause the majority of the time I know the ghetto them come from. And if you buy a house which part them want to live very expensive, you see me, and which part them live, you know, said I done the ghetto already, so them can't stay in the ghetto and be who they are. Them have to left out, and sometimes the money don't make you buy the house, so them have to end up, you know what I mean, in an apartment. You see me? So people, let me know what you think.